So here are the flavors. And this too. So it's going to be Valentines. So that's why I prepared this for my class. So here we have a Paw Patrol, a SpongeBob, and
Show it.
B.
Show it
Color
here.
Pops, House Pops. So let's open the Paw Patrol first.
Show the Paw Patrol.
So
You can open the other one. So that will be for the boys, and this one will be for the girls. Oh.
yeah, but
I'm
there's
assuming.
also some girls.
Okay.
In here.
So this one says color your mouth pops. So it has 12
It can be.
pops and cards. This is for the Valentine classroom exchange. Cool. Ooh, show it, Baba. Show it here.
Yeah, I'm trying to open SpongeBob.
So those are the cards. But
Yeah.
okay.
So, I'm opening up the boys one, and I might be missing. Here's some girl ones. And
Show it again.
now, boys again. Open. I actually cracked it.
Which one?
This one.
Oh, you gotta be careful. So this is where I think you're going to open. You see that? Baby, don't do that. Be careful with that one, okay? And this is how you're going to put the lollipop.
Lollipop there.
Yeah. So every Valentine's Day, they always do this project. Well, kind of like a project. So you always prepare some stuff for your classmates, right, Baba?
Yeah.
And also for the teachers. So we prepare small stuff like chocolates. Here you go.
So, here's the first one that I made. But it's not really looking that good.
I think the best thing you can do is first you have to write, because the moment you have the lollipop in here, it's gonna be hard to write. Oh, cool, babes. That's nice.
Oh, okay. Oh,
Right?
it has it.
Okay, so but you have to make sure. Okay, so here's the list of your classmates, and then
We can write
the names of your classmates
it.
in it. Let Kuya write it, babes.
It's going to take now it's time. So we're going to pause it.
Mm-hmm.
3, 2, 1, pause.
Okay.
So
Is your name clear in there though?
yeah.
Okay.
You can barely see the end.
Oh yeah?
Look, SpongeBob
That's okay.
SquarePants.
Owen. Or you know what? You can also write in the back. You can just put to Owen and then Minesi, and you can put the other.
There's a killer. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh, I love that. Show it here, babes. This one. What about this one, Baba? This one is bigger.
Actually, it's
Cass,
just
come
the
on,
same.
show it to me. Really?
Let's do a speed challenge. Me versus Cassey.
No.
Patrick. Oh, okay.
I love it too. These are so cute. But I wonder how. Okay, yeah, there. I thought there's supposed to be a tattoo on this one, right?
I don't know.
Right? It's supposed to be tattoo lollipops. Ah, okay. It's just a lollipop. I thought it's the same.
I'm just gonna save one lollipop for me and Cassey.
I actually bought. You have a lot because I bought like 36. Because each box actually has 12. So times 3, it's 36.
Yeah. So we're finished, and I am ready to give out all of these to my classmates. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. So here's what it looks like. We're still making more. We're just missing why we're going to do this off the video. So I hope you like it. So subscribe, like the video. That is right here or right here. And subscribe button right here. Bye.